ball of ice cream is a projectile in motion. Its flight in the air follows a parabolic pathway, allowing us to use the kinematic equations to analyze its flight. The goal of this RWA is to find the maximum height of this ball of ice cream. Through some measurements, we are given that the ball takes 2 seconds to go from the thrower into the cup. The ball's initial velocity is 11.6 meters per second. Its initial acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. The distance between the two people is approximately 6 meters. Our y naught is 0 at the thrower's hands. Because this is projectile motion, we can use our kinematic equations. These are the ones that are relevant to our problem. They contain all of the necessary variables and will help us find the variables we do not have. Our plan is to first use the x position equation to find the initial horizontal velocity. Once we have this value, we will use the concept that velocity can be broken down into components via a right triangle. To find the initial vertical velocity, we will use the Pythagorean theorem. Then, once we have all the necessary variables, we will plug it into the vertical position equation to find y max. Here are the calculations for step 1. We have found the initial horizontal velocity to be 3, so now we use Pythagorean theorem to find the initial vertical velocity. We plug in all of our values to get a final answer of 2.8 meters. We deem this to be a reasonable answer.